Okay, guys, how you doing? Today I will show you how you replace the uh, key fob battery for the Dodge or Chrysler. It's very easy job. So this knob here, you push it down on here, take the key out. This, you stick it this hole here, and thus you push it until you see it is open from this side a little bit, like this, and you can continue to open it, and it will be open. So the battery this side, so can use pick to open it. This one and this one the positive side. If you see here, you go down. This positive too. But if you want to test the battery, you can have multimeter. You put it in the V volt, and you put the two lead here on this side, on the other side. If you see the reading here, it's 2.8. This is not good. Most likely the remote will be not working. It should be you have a 3 something. Like this is a new battery now. I will open it as I show you like how many volt, how much volt he has. So let me open down. Open it. Take this one out. Now this is the new battery. Now if we test it, look, we put this one here on downside 3.2. So this is a good battery. We put in the remote and the remote will be working. So we know this the positive, that one down, put this one here like this, push it, you click, and with this one, you put it like this, and guide it. You put the key, the hole, and if you look for the vehicle, so don't forget subscribe. Thank you.